I would tell you that you should consider at least 4 areas before hiring an attorney. Their integrity, they have the integrity you would insist upon, their ability, uh, their lines of communication, their openness with their clients, and their affordability. Integrity, are they going to tell you what you need to hear? Sorry, are they going to tell you what you want to hear, or are they going to tell you what you need to hear? Oftentimes I hear about clients who have been made false promises. Other attorneys will indicate if you'll just bring in, your life savings, mortgage your house, take out your IRA, cash in the kids' college fund, we can make this case go away. It's not true. It's not honest. There is no integrity in that statement, but sometimes it's what the client wants to hear. What they need to hear is that it's a serious situation that will be treated seriously, and they'll pay a fair price. They'll be charged a fair price. They'll be expected to pay, but the outcome won't hinge upon their ability to pay an exorbitant amount up front. Lines of communication. Probably the biggest complaint that I hear about other attorneys is that they've been paid an X amount of money up front, and the client never hears from them again. They talk to them 5 minutes before their court appearance. They're told to do A, B, and C. If they have any questions, the attorney acts as if they're impinging upon their time, and frankly, they do what they're told to do, walk out of the courtroom not necessarily sure of what they've just done, and then start calling the attorney again to try to get those questions answered and are again ignored. So certainly you want an attorney who's going to respond to your inquiries. Their ability, probably most important. Does the attorney have the experience and frankly the willpower to do a good job for you? Are they going to take the time necessary? Are they going to look up the law applicable to your case? Are they going to spend the time over talking to the prosecutor? Are they going to spend the time talking to the witnesses? Are they going to spend the time writing their motions, arguing their briefs, things of that nature? That's the nice thing about that is it's easy to determine. Just look at the outcomes of their prior cases. If they get good results, it's because they're working hard. If they get bad results, then it's probably because they're not working hard. Anybody can make a promise as to the outcome of a case, but not everybody can prove their ability to get the outcome that you'd hope for. And then finally, affordability. It doesn't do you any good if the attorney has integrity and open lines of communication and ability, but you can't afford them. Will they work with you on costs? Now, a good attorney costs a lot of money. They are doing an important job for you. You shouldn't expect that to come cheap. But you should expect them to treat you like human beings. And they should be willing to work with you, understanding it's a tough economy. Not everybody makes a lot of money. Not everybody has a lot of money set aside. Certainly most people don't expect these kinds of expenses. And an attorney ought to be willing to work with you. Sometimes you just can't work it out. But they ought to try. And if they can try, and if they have those other 3 things, then you found the right attorney.